this is my first aviation type video. The reason why is just because I really like planes, like, a lot. So, I'm probably going to be doing a lot of these kind of videos. Let's just, oh, let's see. Oh, that's an interesting thing. Bye. I can just go back to it. So it looks like we're flying over. Where are we flying over? We are flying over. So I picked the Europe map. So we should be flying over. Let's see, we are flying over, I think, France. Normandy. I'm gonna fly it. Yeah, we're flying over France right now. That's pretty cool. I'll turn down the sound. You might be able to see that. Radio. My first aviation video. I'm using. Right now, I'm doing a American Airlines 777. So yeah, pretty cool. 777. I don't know what the other specs are. Oh, come on. There's this really cool. Yeah. Oh no, I guess I can't. Why can't I? There's one setting where you can. Oh yeah, might be this one. No, it's not. You can look at it. Oh, nope. Yeah, might be it. No. Maybe it's this. Yeah, it's this. This is one that is really cool. Really cool view. I actually turned on all the graphics, so it looks really realistic. Look at that. Look at that engine spin. I think the exact reason why they put that spiral on there is so people don't get sucked in when it's on the ground. They know it's moving. So that's actually the reason why it does that. Oh, I didn't even notice that I still have my gear up. I'm gonna retract the gear. There we go. Oh. There we go. That's cool. I actually heard a story about people who have tried to plane hop on these things by climbing into there when it was on the runway, but most of them unfortunately did not make it because the oxygen is extremely low. It's extremely cold. It is very oh, I'm on autopilot. Remember, turn off autopilot. There we go. Move it. Then I'll show you cockpit view now. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna turn on autopilot actually. Easier to do a video that way. I think I can. Yeah, I can actually move. I can actually move this. I can from here. It's just because it's on autopilot. So, yeah. Oh, look at this. That's kind of funny. Look. Oh. Okay. That's funny. That's really funny, actually. Why? Just a map of the plane. A picture. There's a plane. Yeah, that is actually accurate. It is a 343 configuration. Like how Santa's just turning right on there. It's funny. Oh, my computer's fan's going off. You know what? I'm gonna go up to 35,000 feet. Oh, not 4,000. 35,000. I mean 40,000. There's a 40,000. Let's see where. Yeah, we're flying over France, I think, right now. We'll do vertical speed. We'll do like. Oh. 4,000. Oh, we're at. It doesn't seem right. That look like 40. It is not 35,000. Does not look like 40,000, 45,000, 5,000. Let's go to 5,000. Let's go vertical speed. That's 300. Oh, there we go. Do some massive vertical speed. I think there's a certain number that you can do your vertical speed on. Oh, we're leveling up. Is this 5,000? Yeah, this is 5,000. We're gonna go up to 140,000. I'm sorry, this is gonna be fun. Bye. Oh, there you go. Okay. I know a lot of the starter videos of my channel have been like stuff like golf challenge and stuff like that, but I kind of want to focus on that, but a lot of aviation stuff. I love aviation. I love constructing things. So probably aviation for now, and then maybe we'll focus on Minecraft later on. But we'll do maybe some of those challenge videos in between. So that won't be going away completely, but I'm gonna focus on a lot of aviation stuff just because I really like planes. I think they're awesome. I like flying them in simulators. Oh wow, vertical speed. Yeah. It's too bad. I think some of these planes you can go inside of, but this one, like the cabin, but this one doesn't actually. Let's see. Oh, there's just the seat. Oh, okay. Wow, just enhanced it. Oh no! Where's my first officer? 2 jumps. Is there 2 jump seats? I don't even. Yeah, no, there's one. That's cool. You know, this is really cool. Right, let's check it out. Oh, there's also a gear up right here. I didn't even know that. 140,000. It's crazy. Oh. Bye. Okay, gotta stop doing that. Is amazing, honestly. I can't believe I'm going to 140,000. You know what? Are clouds on? Oh, this is so loud. Are clouds on? I don't. Free cam. Oh, free cam. That is kind of cool. Hmm. Looks like our altitude is 140,000. Oh, no, it's 14,000. 4,000. We're gonna go up to 35,000 feet, which is let me look that up. Cruising altitude for 777. Altitude for 777. It is 35,000 feet to 39,000 feet. I was right. So we're going up. No, I'm not gonna sing the golden song. That is cool. I'm just gonna keep it here and see. I'm just for a sec. I just wanna zoom in on it, which is also kind of cool. Yeah, see that's cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's really cool. That's dope, honestly. Like, just look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. Wow. That's beautiful, honestly. Okay, that's a weird thing to say. Like, wow, I can still see it. I'm gonna zoom all the way out. Can't even see it anymore. So it looks like right now I am sitting in. I think we're at. Oh, did I just press E? Shoot. I accidentally turned off the engines. Whoops. I'm so dumb of me. Oh. What? Okay, I just turned off the engines. Whoops. Okay, they're turning back on. Okay. You can't go to 35,000 feet when you have no engines. I think I'm at 35,000 feet. That'll speed her up. We're out of fuel. Oh shit, we're out of fuel. Darn it. We're out of fuel now. Yeah. I think I'm gonna unfortunately have to end the video here. Well, now you got to see it. So me flying a 777, flight sim, American 777. Yeah, I'm out of fuel. I think. I'm not completely sure. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.